Welcome back. I'm Kris. Nice to see you guys. This is Pantry Challenge week number 2. And I'm really excited about this week because it's actually a full week. So we got through Thursday dinner and we just finished lunch, so through this Thursday's lunch. So we've got a lot going on. I've learned a lot about making sure that I don't forget to film my meals. There's a lot of still pictures in this video because I forgot to film my meals. So also wanted to kind of hang out in the pantry because now that it's organized, we can hang out in the pantry, which is kind of awesome. Now, don't be fooled. This pantry did not start looking this good overnight. It took a solid week to get this pantry inventoried and organized so we could start this challenge. So don't be fooled. That back there was a lot of work. So let's get into it. Okay. We're going to start off with, I have notes because I forgot to film most of this stuff. So I'll go over the menu first of what we did. Starting Thursday night, since the last time y'all saw an update on the pantry challenge. We started off with pot stickers and steamed veggies, and they were so good. I did a short on showing you how to make them, and I can insert it here if you want to look at it.
There's a pot sticker filling. We got an egg wash. We're gonna make us some pot stickers because why not? So I figured since I'm doing this, that's way too much. We're gonna have some stir-fried vegetables too. So I like to just use my fingers, schlep all this on here, and then you can do whatever shape you want to. You're not like, you don't have to do a specific shape. So I like to do, because it's easy, is the crab rangoon shape that you get at your local Chinese food place. Because it's just easy. So you can do it like this, and then you can bake these up or fry these up. And that's it. That's it. That's your wonton. Or let me do another shape.
Friday we did steak and pasta with a salad. Darn good steak. It's going to be really hard to eat out after all these really good meals that we're eating. Saturdays, like normal, is leftovers. So we finished up leftovers that we had from the week prior and this week. Let's see, on Sunday, we made some homemade chicken salad out of those chicken salad the chicken cans that I have had like 17 or 18 whenever I inventoried and had no idea I had that many. So now we have 2 less. Chicken salad sandwiches, and then we just did chips and salsa because I was craving chips and salsa. Monday, we have a boatload of chili. So we did chili and then we did macaroni and cheese because why not? Oh, what's cool about the macaroni and cheese is we had some freeze-dried Rotel that we were repackaging whenever we were doing the inventory in here, and it rehydrated great. I just threw it directly into the pasta water with the pasta and then strained it out and made macaroni and cheese just like you would, and it had Rotel in it. It was awesome. Tuesdays like normal because Wednesdays is trash day. We had leftovers again, and there were plenty of leftovers. And then last night we had burgers that we prepped the week prior, and then I had this bag of Brussels sprouts left in the refrigerator, and I made a vow to myself that before we go grocery shopping, I've got to get rid of all of the fresh produce, and Brussels sprouts were the last lone little fresh produce I had left in the refrigerator I had to get rid of. So we made Brussels sprout coleslaw. And I will tell you what, if you didn't know those were Brussels sprouts, you wouldn't know they were Brussels sprouts. It was so good. So lunches and breakfasts were pretty normal. It was eating leftovers that were left, and then eggs and toast like I usually do in the morning. I had a bag of Thrive Market, probably got it for free. You know how they give you like a free thing every now and then? I had a free thing of Thrive Market pancake and waffle mix. Let me tell you, if I were to even purchase it, it was so good. I would actually buy that stuff. I made it on the back of the package. It has where you add certain things and then you add flaxseed into it. It was very, very good. And I've still got another pancake in there for tomorrow. And they are protein dense. So I can only eat one pancake at a time. I made one. I ate two yesterday, and it was way too much. So I've got another pancake left. I had one this morning with a couple eggs as well. And then we did really good not wasting food. We got into the habit of cooking every single night, having all these leftovers, and then by the end of the week, it's like we don't have enough time to eat all these leftovers. So we did really good this week. I think that's why we have 2 leftover days. We've learned that if we cook every night, we're not going to have time to finish all of the food that we've cooked. So I think we only threw out on Friday the pasta that we had. We only threw out maybe 1 or 2 portions of that pasta. Everything else got eaten up, and it was really nice to be able to do that high five and go, yeah, we didn't really waste food this week. It was pretty awesome. Like I said, we are really diligent about portion sizes and making sure that we don't waste anymore. So let's see. I got notes, y'all. Hold on. Oh, we did our first grocery haul yesterday because I got rid of the Brussels sprouts. So I'm like, all right, we can go to the store. That hurt. The prices at the grocery store hurt. Just to recap, we are doing. I've got my list in her. She's in her apron planner, and our what we're calling the cheat list, or one of our rules. $50 limit for the month, and then we can buy milk, lettuce, cherry tomatoes, bell peppers, cucumbers, carrots, spinach, sour cream. And then we realized yesterday that we needed to add fruit to that list. So we added fruit. Y'all, I'll put the clip here of the grocery haul, and I'll just put the clip of the grocery haul here because thank goodness I started stockpiling and doing what I do years ago, and rethinking the way that I shop years ago, because I was blown away at how little we purchased and how much it cost. So I'll put the clip here of the grocery haul. All right, first grocery haul in January. You are looking at $26 worth of groceries, minus a head of lettuce that has already started to be consumed. So this is what $26 looks like today. So yeah, that was $26.27. Half of our budget in that little bitty pile of food. I'm just flabbergasted. So all in all, it was a really good week. I'm learning a lot about what we eat, how we prepare food, what we don't eat. This time next year, this pantry is going to look way different because of the stuff that we don't consume anymore. Like, when the kids move out and things change, your food consumption changes, and a lot has changed. So I don't anticipate having any issues. Obviously, our stores are still well stocked. It was just a little depressing at the grocery store. Wow. But anyway, thank you so much for watching this video and following along on the Pantry Challenge. This is week 2 of 8. So I'm sure this is going to get even more interesting as we follow along. If you have questions or anything about what I do on this channel, or the stock that you see behind me, or just anything, all things canning, food prep, you name it, throw some comments down or questions down in the comments below, and I'll be happy to answer anything. Please hit subscribe if you haven't. I'm really excited about growing this channel with you guys and learning right along with you. So with that, we'll see you on the next Pantry Challenge video next Thursday. Until then, bye y'all.